All right, this is a quick post about how to remove your rear side marker on the C7 Grand Sport. Um, I think this should apply to the all the models. Not completely sure. I have a Grand Sport, so I'm removing this so I can black out this side marker. You can see it's already blacked out, but I didn't remove it when I first did it, and you can see the edges around the vinyl are jagged. So I'm just gonna remove it so I can completely wrap around the edges so it's clean. But this should help you if you're also trying to install aftermarket side markers that still utilize the lights. I'm just simply completely blacking mine out, and this will show you how to do that. So I know there's some other videos that will say you need to remove multiple bolts, but for me, I've already done the other side, and it's just the furthermost outside bolt. So you can see under here, there's a total of 4. I think the Stingrays have 3. The Grand Sport and the Z06 and the ZR1 are wider, of course. So the furthermost outside bolt, you get that move taken off. And I'm sorry, I can't tell you what size bolt that is. I had to use a wrench. And then once that's off, you can go ahead and peel this out. It just locks, it's just popped in. Got a bunch of debris in there. Boom. Once that's off, you can reach up, and there's pins. They're very easy. The very bottom one, you reach to the outside towards the back of the bumper and push it out. And then you reach up a little bit further. This might be difficult to do while recording, but there's one towards the middle, towards closer to the wheel. Pop that out. And then you go up behind this part. You don't have to remove any screws, you just peel it back. Pop that out. So this is 3 pins. The light's going to be attached. Pull this pin back. There you go. Lights off, and you can see how it was a little bit jagged around the edges, so I'm just going to redo this. That's how you remove your side marker.